I am directed to say that instances have come to the notice of government in which the issue/issues on which advice is sought from the S and GAD are not clearly stated by the referring departments. Full stop. In this connection, your attention is drawn to paragraph 60, copy enclosed of the Manual of Secretariat Instructions, according to which a referring department should specify precisely the proposal or the points on which the opinion of another department is sought. Full stop. Government desire that these instructions should be observed strictly in future. Full stop. Each issue involved in a case should be mentioned clearly, and if wholly independent of other issue, could, form a self-contained reference. Full stop. Another point which has been considered is as to which officer should coordinate a reference which relates to more than one branches. Full stop. In the administrative department, coordination work is as a rule, the responsibility of the Deputy Secretary General. Full stop. But it has to be seen that references do not get delayed because more than one branches are concerned. Full stop. It has been decided that where a reference relates to more than one branch, it should be got typed immediately, and copies may be given to branches concerned so that it can be dealt with simultaneously. Full stop. The final advice should be coordinated by the Deputy Secretary General or the Deputy Secretary responsible for coordination work, and a consolidated reply should be sent to the referring department. Full stop. Government has also decided that where the referring department is aware of the designation of the officer concerned with the subject in the other departments, the case may be referred to that officer by designation. Full stop. I am directed to invite a reference to this department's memorandum dated the 13th December 1955, on the subject noted above, and to state that instances have come to the notice of government where the instructions regarding teleprinter message, viz. That unnecessary passages should be eliminated and letter or postgram system should be used, have not been followed strictly. Full stop. Normally, one teleprinter message should be addressed to only one addressee who is expected to take action thereon. Full stop. If the message is required to be sent to certain other officer/department for information, it should be sent by post unless the urgency of the text justifies its transmission over the teleprinter network. Full stop. As already mentioned in the enclosed memorandum, it is not intended that only telegrams should be sent over the teleprinter system, which can be sent in the ordinary course unless the paucity of time requires its transmission over the teleprinter network. Full stop.